Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas.
Hey YouTube. Okay, today's video is going to be, it's not different. I always review things, but this is more of giving you guys a visual in case you're thinking about ordering this product or something like this product. So I got this off of Wayfair. This is a kitchen food pantry, and it also has the charging station, which I'm going to show you because I had to make sure mine had a charging station because I knew exactly what I was going to put on here. And don't worry, I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to give you guys a visual. We're going to do all the good stuff, but yes, I got this on Wayfair. I will definitely link it down below. At the time of this video, not even at the time of this video, I ordered this on August 16, 2024. I got it on sale for $259. It says that the original price is $469, but me personally, I don't pay attention to original prices. I just want to know what the price is right now, okay? And the measurements, it's supposed to be 71 inches for height, which it is very tall, I'm not gonna lie, guys, and 39.4 inches with length and 38.5 inches with width. So yeah, it was a perfect size. I pre-did the measurements because I knew I wanted it to be in the space. But enough of me talking. Let me show you guys up close. Okay, so this is she. This is she. She is beautiful. She's really beautiful. So yeah, it has the light, which I really, really wanted. It was like one of the things. The charging station light was one of them. Speaking of charging station, let me show you guys. Don't mind my stuff that I already have here. So this is the beautiful charging station, but it only has 2 outlets and it has 2 USB outlets here. But the problem with that is that one of them is actually the light. I wasn't aware of that when I bought it, but it doesn't matter. Honestly, what I do is I just take the light in and out because I don't want to turn this off. When you turn this off, this whole thing gets turned off, and my coffee machine has the correct time, and I just don't want to mess that up. So when I'm done with the light, I just take the light out of there. I have an extension cord hooked up here. I know it's like a whole lot of electrical. I know. But yeah, I have an extension cord hooked up here, which for my blender and stuff. Because let's be honest, 2 outlets is, that's not enough. I'm sorry. It's not. So yeah. So we have on two. I could link it down below. But yeah, so we have my little sugar, coffee, and oatmeal. This is the beautiful Ninja. I have so many videos. Well, not so many videos, but I do have a video about this coffee machine. This is my baby, and I'm actually about to make a cup of coffee. And I told myself that I cannot make a cup of coffee until I make this video for you guys. So yeah, here's my little coffee cup. Read the syllabus. That was like my #1 thing in college. FYI, I have a master's degree. So if you want my advice, always read the syllabus. Try to memorize the syllabus. So yeah. My coffee machine also has the Nespresso. So this is the Nespresso side. I have my Ninja. As you can see, I'm a Ninja girl, yeah. I'm such a Ninja girl. Like it's real bad with me. My blender, which I did a video on this too for unboxing. It's cool, but I have an updated video coming on for this because I can't do this. My kennel, like it holds a lot of stuff. That I will say, like, look at all of this stuff that's on here. Like, and then the kitchen, it's like the little kitchen countertops. Thinking about covering it with contact paper. I don't know. It depends on how I feel because I just don't want to mess it up. It's really nice, you know. And then I have my little strawberry stuff for my smoothies and my creamer. So now the best part, I feel like, well, one of the best parts because it has a lot of best parts. It has drawers, guys. I haven't put anything in the drawers yet, but I will. You just got to give me time because I will. You just got to give me time because I literally just got a baby, like, you know. So that's 3 drawers at that. Like, the space in here is beautiful. I have a small kitchen. Remember, I'm in NYC. Yeah, you know me. You know, some people have big kitchens though in NYC, but not me. I'm not one of them. Then up here, I have put my teas and coffee. I gotta order more Nespresso pods, but like not coffee, which I should. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I need time. So yeah, this is my teas and Nespresso. I got over here, then over here, it's like a double, and I put my coffee cups because I was taking up a lot of space in my kitchen, so I put my coffee cups over here, and I'm gonna buy some more glasses to put over here for like when I make my smoothies and stuff. So it's cool. And then the bottom, bottom has nothing. I still gotta wipe it down. I wipe down the other parts that I am using. I just haven't wiped down the parts I'm not using. Still gotta wipe it down. Yeah. And then this part too is by itself. Don't know what I'm gonna put in it yet, but best believe I'm gonna figure it out. Also, another thing you guys should know is that I did get this assembled with Wayfair. So Wayfair sent somebody out. I had to pay an extra $100 or something for this, for them to assemble it, but it was worth every penny because the headache. And then it's like these types of products is very hard to put up. It's a lot of pieces. I don't got time for somebody making a mistake on my stuff, so it is what it is. I love it. If you're thinking about getting it and you have a small kitchen, I say get it, especially if you have a space to put it that's like close to your kitchen. It makes a really, really, really big difference. So yeah, guys, I just love it. Like, I say get it. If I say it one more time and you don't get it, I'm gonna be mad. Let me stop. But anyway, yeah, I love it. So far, I love it. If you guys want me to keep you updated on this, I definitely will, because I literally just got it like last week. So we like a weekend. We a weekend so far. We a weekend. We a week locked in. And yes. Anyways, guys, I told you this video is gonna be nice and short, straight to the point, to get people a visual that's thinking about getting this. Remember, it all comes in all different types of sizes, so please pay attention to the measurements when you're ordering a kitchen pantry. And good luck. If you have any questions, comment down below and let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.